Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're looking at some fantastic Hey Dude shoes. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to show them off to you, tell you a little bit about why you should pick some up, why these are going to be great in your sneaker collection, and for everyday wear. Now these things just slip on so fantastically. They're probably the most lightweight shoe that I've ever owned, and they are just very comfortable. It's a new style, folks. People don't want to be overly formal. If you're going on a cruise, you're going down to Mexico, you live in Florida, you just want something lightweight for the summer, these, you're practically wearing flip-flops. Like, they're so incredibly comfortable. There's no need to lace them up, you just slide them on. The ones I picked out were in orange and blue. The Wally Sox, this is a 12, and I will say that this fits pretty true to form. A 12 fits really good on my feet. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds, 220 pounds, and these just fit really, really well. So what else can I tell you about them? The form, fit, and comfort on them is fantastic. You can see here is the tread pattern. Really a lightweight tread, a lightweight shoe. And these are great, again, if you're just walking around, you're gonna be in some warm weather. They're absolutely fantastic. This is textured knit fabric with overstitched seams. This shoe is designed for superior comfort. So if you're looking for a comfortable, breathable shoe, this type of knit material is going to do very well with sweat and in the heat. So these are a great summer shoe. And again, if you're looking to go on vacation, go on a cruise, anything of the sort, then this is the product for you. I personally just like the overall look. I like the feel. I like the fit and finish. And they just did a great job with the attention to detail. And you know, the pricing is fantastic. And with Amazon, you get the free Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, A to Z guarantee. So if they don't fit you, or you just got them in the mail and you don't think they look right, you can pick up a different pair. Now, I gotta admit that black and white, the gray ones, there's a whole bunch of different colors and designs for this. The overall shoe design is fantastic, but get the color that you want, the ones that go with your threads, folks. All right, folks, so you're gonna pick these up today. I hope you found this helpful. Let's go ahead and show you the complete unboxing, and then I'll come back and wrap this thing up. Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at these shoes. Box says, hey dude. Okay, so the unboxing, an unveiling, if you will. We take you anywhere. Living Hey Dude lifestyle means exploring each day with an insatiable appetite for adventure. Created in 2008, our obsession with quality shoes, a passion and experience. Our shoes are built to take you anywhere. Well, I'm surprised. Wow, these are, hit the camera there, sorry about that. These are really lightweight shoe. All right. Didn't expect them to be quite so lightweight. So, I'll try to stop hitting the camera, show you these up close. There's a lot of different styles and colors. You can see I went with one here. Pretty neat looking. All right. That's pretty fantastic, folks. Here's the tread on the bottom. Put them on, show them off, check them out. Hey dude. Adios, amigos. So there you go, folks. What a fantastic pair of shoes. Really stylish, sophisticated, and chic. And like I said, I have not found a more comfortable pair of shoes. So if comfort is important to you, if being able to relax and get a few miles in without your feet hurting, without that extra weight, and just a good cushion, then these are going to be the shoe for you.